Welcome to the channel of top tips for entrepreneur. So, you want to be rich? Well, my friend, it's not as easy as it looks. You need skills, patience, and a sprinkle of luck. But don't worry, I'm here to help you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. First, you need to get a job. But not just any job. You need a job that pays the big bucks. So if you're currently working as a clown at a kid's birthday party, you're gonna have to quit. Once you've got a job that pays well, you need to start saving money. And I don't mean just putting a few bucks in your piggy bank every week. I mean putting away at least 15% of your income. That means sacrificing your daily Starbucks habit and avocado toast addiction. But don't worry, it'll be worth it in the end. Because once you're rich, you can buy all the Starbucks and avocado toast you want. Now, if you're really serious about getting rich, you need to get a side hustle. That means delivering food, doing odd jobs, or becoming an internet sensation. The more money you make, the closer you'll be to your goal. And hey, if all else fails, maybe it's time to switch careers. Find something that pays the big bucks, like being a programmer or a politician. Just joking. So there you have it. The secret to getting rich. It's not easy, but with some perseverance and smart decision-making, you can be swimming in cash. Just remember to share the wealth, okay? Oh, and don't forget to have fun along the way, because life is too short to be stressed about money all the time. And if all else fails, you can always marry a rich person. But don't get your hopes up. They're usually already married to someone else. Ha ha ha. I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.